we have decided to go to the park to walk, to exercise, so we can remain slim and trim.
Exactly.
So we're on our way now to the park to get some exercise and to get some relaxation time. So while we're doing that, I'll be showing you our neighborhood as we kind of drive through the neighborhood. So this is just a sneak view of what our neighborhood looks like. So we're living in Florida. So as you can see, it's a lot of greenery, a lot of outdoor spaces.
Show them the mountains.
Unfortunately, we're not able to show you guys no mountains because we don't have any here.
Exactly.
There is none here.
Exactly. Whatsoever.
But let's see what else we have to show you.
Right there.
Definitely not mountains. We may have a few animals to show you.
A whole bunch.
A whole bunch of animals to show you. A whole bunch of bushes to show you. But that's about it. But this is our route on our way to the park. The park is within our neighborhood, and within that park we have a few recreational activities that we do. I for one enjoy walking the pathway, and they have also a pool there. They have other recreational activities for kids. So if it is that you're inclined to do that, you are also allowed to do that.
Turn it.
So this is us entering the park.
The park.
The park. So the name of the park is called Lakewood Park Lakewood Regional Park, because we live in that neighborhood.
Okay. It's only a few minutes drive, so we're here. We are here. Get you a park. Get out. Start walking. Before you know it.
So that's a football field. Here they call it soccer. You see a few guys over there. I don't know what they're doing. So that is a baseball field over there. Right there, that's a baseball field. And that's the bike park. Right here, you have the soccer field, which is the football field for us. And we are off. You have folks who actually get over here and they have picnics. So those are the picnic benches. I believe they have pickleball too. I'm not sure what else they have.
They got what?
Pickleball.
Pickleball. But
Yeah, pickleball.
yeah, pickleball, and I think they got some tennis.
They have tennis,
What
pickleball.
they don't have is basketball.
Well,
Now, why would you have?
that's not going to be on the video. right
Why
here.
would you? Huh?
You're not going to put that right there.
What
It's
is it?
racist. There are folks walking their dogs. I thought that wasn't allowed, but clearly it is. And of course,
You got your watch started? Alright folks, welcome back to our channel. The wife said, we're out doing a little exercising. So my doctor says the body and the mind can tell if you're exercising or if you're not. He asked me if I exercise. I tell him I work every day, so that's exercising. And he says, no, that's not. Because the body can tell and the mind can tell if you're exercising or you're not. So he recommends that I do this at least twice a week to help with cholesterol and also help to bring down your A1C. So that's what I'm doing. That's what doc says do, and that's what I'm doing. What y'all do for your cholesterol? Drop me a comment down below. Tell me what y'all do. If y'all reading this, I know some of us don't do nothing, but I'm trying to obey doc because my A1C just made it down to 7 and he want me below 7. So here I go. So at normal we would come here in the park like Saturday morning or Sunday morning and do this very walk, but now the time is going to change. The time is going to change to we're no longer in the daylight saving time. So you wake up in the morning, it's dark, and you really don't have much time after work to come do this. So we're just trying to get if we can get a couple miles in today, it would be great. If not, we'll save it for Saturday or Sunday. But here we are in the park, walking. Why are you walking, sweetheart? What you trying to lose?
I am trying to lose some weight on my stomach. It has gotten a bit big, and I just want to be toned, and I want to look nice and sexy.
Yeah, and all that breadfruit and all that plantain and all that stuff you eat in Jamaica didn't help either.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. She wanna eat everything that they have, because she figure when she gets back, she's not gonna be back in Jamaica for a while, so she wanna eat everything that they have to eat. Me, myself, I'm trying to pace myself, but it is what it is.
I had no conscience while I was eating. I ate.
Okay. Oh, okay. We're going the opposite way, you know that. We're supposed to be going right.
We should be going there.
Yeah, we should be going from the right side. I have a little jungle gym here for the young'uns. So, every little thing is over here, except one sport. My wife don't want me to get into it. Take a guess which sports is not in this park. Let me know down in the comment which sport is not in this park. Stay neutral. All right, folks, so I'm gonna let you get another couple of minutes or seconds of viewing here, and then we gotta cut the camera off, turn the music on, and just trying to get to stepping. We'll pick it back up after a few, just to let y'all know we're still here, but we need to get stepping in before it gets dark. So thank you for joining Life with the Dixons, and we said we was trying to do some different things to make the channel grow a little faster.
Oh, get the
And
birds.
besides just working, and we're just trying to incorporate whatever we are doing if we have time to film. We're sorry for some of the videos in Jamaica that we couldn't get to post because there's music everywhere. Everywhere you go, there's music. It's kind of hard to drive those I don't want to say terrain, but those roads up in the mountains and trying to film at the same time. It's not as it can't be done. Trust me, it can't be done because there's a lot of windy roads and we don't want to end up down in some of the ditches. So, but we did our best, and we hope that y'all will enjoy some of the videos that we're putting out. Hit the 3 button. Go ahead, past it up.
So we're showing you a family of, I don't know what those are.
I think birds would be okay with it.
Family of birds.
Whatever kind of bird it is, we're not.
Whatever type of bird it is, we have no idea.
Yeah.
I probably know, but I would have to go research that.
Yeah.
No idea. But they do have a lot of these birds here. They're regular visitors at our home. As they say that this where we're living is a bird sanctuary. And you see construction is ongoing. They're actually building the roads, widening the roads. A guy walking his dog. Couple walking.
Show your face, wife on, so y'all can see that we're actually out here. We just made it like half a mile, so. And let me not film the guy in front of us. How many persons of color do you think are in this park right now?
They all look like persons of color to me.
Huh? Babe?
Huh?
How many people of color do you think are in this park at this very minute?
In the park itself?
Yeah, like where we at right now. How many persons of colors? Let me see if I see any playing soccer. One, he has the ball.
They're Latino. They're not black.
Huh?
Right?
No, Jamaican play basketball. I mean football, soccer.
See the rough right there.
Yeah, that's the one. That's what I said. There's one.
And I
See,
saw another one. And right there walking with the brown over his shoulder.
what color is he wearing?
Black and white. The other guy over there without the shirt. Well, they're playing with wings over there.
Yeah, I want to see one.
The other one right there.
Anyway. Say it again, baby. What'd you say about the wrap that you're gonna get?
Oh, I'm gonna get me a wrap for my stomach so I can suck it in.
Okay. All right. Well, folks, like as I said, we're gonna get into this walk here because we got a couple miles to do, and I can't keep holding this camera while I go. But thank y'all for joining me, and I'll check back in later on. All right. We're exercising. What you doing?